Hello, 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 guys, and I am going to teach you how to send an invoice via PayPal. So what you want to do is you want to go to paypal.com and you will open up a page like this. This is what you call your dashboard, okay? So you have your available money, you have unpaid invoices, and you have all your activity here. So if you want to create a new invoice, you can either go to create invoice right here, or you can go up to tools and click on invoicing. Either one is going to get you here. So you want to create a new invoice. Create, okay? So I have my paparazzi logo here. You can download that from the back office, update it here, and I think it's just a nice little touch. Okay, so you just got a new customer and you need to enter their email address here, okay? So we are just going to maybe make up a name, okay? I am going to say this person's name is Rhonda Becky at gmail.com. Now that's not a real customer, that's a made up one. Then I put her email here, I click outside of that box, and then you will see it says add customer details. Now this is very important for you to click on because this is going to make it very easy for the next time Rhonda Becky orders anything from you. All you have to do is enter her first and last name and Rhonda Becky and her email address, and that's going to be saved into your address book. Save. Okay, so now let's just pretend that Rhonda Becky made a second order from you and you need to find her email address because she already gave it to you the first time. So all you got to go to is bill to, click here, enter Rhonda Becky. Oh, and what do you know? Her email is saved. Click that there, and there you go. Super easy, okay? Now we have to figure out what did Rhonda Becky get this time around. Now I have entered this drop down menu. I've saved just the frequent items that people buy and it will autofill it for you. So let's say she got a bracelet. She got one bracelet. It's $5. She doesn't get a discount on this, so I'm going to put 0 and I put my tax here for my state. If you don't have yours, you just put add a new tax and you find your tax state and do that there, okay? So let's say she got, now with the autofill, you have to be careful because like, let's say she got some earrings, okay? It will autofill it to 1. So let's say she got 2. You got to make sure to update that to 2 earrings. But notice it changes it to $10. So that's just auto-filled, and she didn't get a discount here. So I'm going to put 0, and then that's already going to update. Okay, so now let's say you're just starting out and you don't already have a list of auto-filled things here for you, and you want to come up with your own. So the way you're going to do that is, so you're going to type in the item, and let's say I will do like a thick band ring. Let's say I want to do that, okay? One of them, and you got to fill it out the first time with however you want it to be, okay? Tax is here. You're going to say save item. So that item is saved to your catalog. So the next time anybody orders a thick band ring, it's going to pop up and it's going to autofill with those settings that you had. But it will never autofill this discount, so you got to put it here, okay? But let's say you did a live sale and somebody got a free necklace, okay? Where are you, necklace? There. Let's say somebody did end up winning a free necklace. So you're going to put the necklace here. Now, very important, you change this percentage into dollars. You got to change that into dollars, and then you type in you got a $5 credit, and that's going to be reflected on the total here. So she got $5 off her necklace. So that's really awesome, and it's great, right? So then what you're going to do is you're going to put your shipping. So I do $4 flat rate shipping, and it's going to be updated here. And then you scroll down and you can put a personalized note. You can be like, Becky, or no, her name's Rhonda. Rhonda, congrats on winning the free necklace. You totally rock. Something like that, okay? So you could just do that, and I never do tax on shipping because you're already being taxed on all those individual pieces, okay? So then you're just going to click send, but I'm not really going to send it because she is not a real customer. But I will show you a customer that needs to be shipped. Okay, so let's see. See how it says completed here? That means I have gotten my payment from them and they are ready to pull up this screenshot because I don't want you to see their address. So this is the page it would pull up, and this is Lucia, okay? It says confirmed, meaning she paid. Payment status completed. You click on ship, okay? So you're going to click on ship, and I'm going to open my other, I think my other screenshot. Don't judge me. So ship, I clicked on ship, and this is what pops up. Okay, so this is her order that she got from me, and I sometimes personalize what she gets because I think it's fun. And so, see, this is going to show my address here, and then if you scroll down a little bit, it's going to show your customer's address, okay? So I just wanted to show you that. But now this is Lucia's real invoice. I have it to the side because I don't want her address showing. So this is you're sending it from the post office. You are going to click on this drop down arrow, and you are going to change it to first class mail, 2 to 5 days. Then the package type you will change to a thick envelope. Then at this point you are going to weigh your package and find out how much it weighs. And you will always round up on your ounces. You can never put like 3.05 or 3.95. You just have to round up. So let's say this package was 3.95. I'm going to round up to 4 ounces on that. I'm going to calculate my shipping cost, and it's going to calculate based on this weight. So it's going to load. Okay, so it tells me 266. Now, it's pretty general, but the heavier the weight, the more it's going to cost you. So let's say it was a 10-ounce package. That is going to be more in shipping, okay? So see, this is $3.50 because it's a 10-ounce package. So I would click confirm and pay, and then a new page pops up that says print shipping label. You click print. It comes out your printer, and you just cut it out and stick it on your package, and you are good to go. And that's pretty much it. That is how you send an invoice via PayPal for Paparazzi. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'm happy to help. So thanks guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.